Janagra started in 2001 with a fundamental underlying belief that you cannot have vibrant cities without citizens participating. What does I Change My City do? Essentially, it brings us all together. It brings together cutting-edge technology that we now are amazingly in this wonderful time where actually this kind of technology has been created over the last 5 years. And Janagra has years, a decade long of grassroots experience of understanding why people participate, why people don't, what is social transformation on the ground, how does it actually take place, how do political responses take place, how do agencies respond. To encapsulate all that, it's taken us 2 years. This has not been easy. 2 years and over 100,000 man-hours of development have gone into this. What do we hope to achieve? Clearly, our hope is that we remove all the constraints that we find that actually hamper citizens from owning their cities. First thing is, don't ask them to engage with something which is the city. All change begins with it being personal, and then most likely with it being local. So this is what we are looking at. Getting more people to voice what they feel. Currently, everybody feels, what's the point? It's all helpless. Where's it going? What's the value of all this? Nothing will ever happen. Actually saying, well, here's a way by which we make sure something happens. Thousands of us care, this is what will come out of it. Connecting people with each other, connecting people with their government. And finally, it's not just about civic change. It's not just about addressing this, that. Neighborhoods are made by the quality of spaces that we create, the communities, the vibrancies that exist. So it can be about art, it can be about communities, it can be about landscaping, it can be about your parks, whatever it is. Each community will define for itself what is it that connects me to my neighborhood, gives me pride, and gives me a great quality of life.